giving it depth. You also need to make adjustments to the edges to add some water. Yes, the time for transportation. The compound should be mixed around 4 minutes. So the time ahead of the mixer to take into consideration the
I am just a naturally intelligent system. You can call me J.A.N.I.S. And this is Max. The lions are finished. However, the overall curb appeal will not be complete unless everything has been tended to. I have succeeded in getting the boys to focus again, and we can continue on the next project. This time, we focus on the fountain. We are using the same yellow gold acrylic paint that we used on the highlights for the lions. Because of the porosity of the fountain, and the fact that it will be holding water, we will be rubbing the paint in deeper than we did before to ensure lasting adhesion. Keeping the cloth more wet than usual, around the legs and feet, and dabbing the material with a brush to apply in areas such as the hair, and around the adjoining arms, will help with transferring the paint to the harder to reach areas more easily. Due to continuously holding water, the basins will be the most difficult to deal with. They will need to be completely dry and devoid of debris before coating thoroughly with slightly thicker, or multiple layers to ensure resiliency. Another option is to paint the inside of the basins a different color, or leave them as they are, below the water line. If the basin surface or finish is damaged, repairs may need to be made before the fountain is operational. For a more durable, deeper finish, it is suggested that 1 or more extra coats should be applied. Wait 1 to 2 hours, and no longer than 24 hours before applying any additional coats. The first coat of the fountain is complete. We can now move on to the cherub statue, following the same techniques as we did with the fountain, using a rag and a brush. We are also using the same yellow gold acrylic paint as we have with the other projects. The difference in the color and texture of the surface and the application used to apply the paint can cause the tone of the color to react differently. A darker surface may cause a darker tone, whereas a lighter colored surface may cause the paint to appear shinier and brighter. Such was the case while applying the same gold acrylic paint onto the cherub statue. We will be adding highlights to the cherub by applying yellow acrylic paint to the entirety of the flowers that are present. And as we did for the lions, we are using the same masonry stain for the base of the cherub statue, and rubbing in the thinned, black exterior paint as a top coat. This will give it a little more dimension, and will help it tie in with not only the fountain, but with the lions as well.
Well, hey, voice lady. Seems like you're not doing half bad.
I hate to say this, but Bubba's right.
How do you feel about doing this more often?
Of course, Captain. Actually, I am beginning to enjoy this. Besides, there are a few more craft ideas here that I would want to take the lead on.
I think we can make that happen.